Welcome to the show, Salman.
Thank you.
Ready for action?
Let's go.
Okay, we're going to start by showing you some lovely reactions of some of your fans. Check them out.
Jackass, great, amazing, dashing.
I like his hair.
स्टाइल और डांस मस्त होता है.
वो अच्छा लगता है, दिखने में बॉडी भी अच्छी है उसकी.
And he's very stylish also.
हाँ, सलमान खान जैसी बॉडी बनाना चाहता हूँ.
I love him. From my 5th standard, I celebrate his birthday on 27 December.
एक बार भी बाइक लेके आया था उधर से बैन स्टैंड पे, तभी कॉलेज के लड़की लोग भागे हो उसके बॉयफ्रेंड को छोड़ के उसके पास.
He's just the best. वो एकदम अच्छा है. Salman is the best in everything. He is the best.
This guy knows this kid, Zishan.
And yet you are called Salman Controversial Khan. Is that an apt middle name?
Guess for the press.
What have you done to deserve this?
You know, truly, honestly, nothing. Nothing at all. I don't like speaking about myself, my life, the people who are in my life. And people who do not get any answers from me, they think I'm being rude or disrespectful towards them. So that's where they start not liking me that much.
आपने एक बार कहा है कि my troubles are as temporary as my stardom. But it seems that neither is your stardom temporary, nor are your troubles.
I think everything, there's an expiry date on everything.
You think?
Yeah, yeah. People die.
Oh, you think this is going to go on to the day you die?
Yeah, no, even after, for some time.
Are you going to be notorious even after you die?
You know, the thing is कि ऐसा क्या कर लिया है किसी इंसान ने कि ये 4-5 हिट पिक्चर दी, किसी को रुलाया, किसी को हंसाया है. ऐसा थोड़ी कि कोई मून पे जाके आ गया आदमी. It's just a guy who was born in a family who didn't know anything else to do, became an actor, that too not that good. So it's just my destiny, my luck has put me here.
You don't think you're a good actor?
No.
All those vox pops out there, all the people saying you're the best, you just constantly need affirmation. Is that it?
No, not true. It's I don't take my success really seriously. Till the time it's there, it's there. Because I've seen a lot of the yesteryear stars who go through a lot of stuff because they took it, you know, to their head. And today now they're destroyed.
I think that as of right now, people look at you and they see this very controversial figure and they think Salman is always in the eye of a storm. Do you think it's actually the deeds you do, or do you think it's a misrepresentation of your acts?
I can't answer this question. I get into situations, from those situations I come out as well. I think ऊपर वाला सर देख के सरदारी देता है. अभी तक कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. देखो अभी आगे लाइफ में क्या है.
Do you actually even give a damn about anything that's written about you?
See, me personally, I don't. You can write anything, whatever you want, you can write about me. But sometimes I do. And the only times, yeah, the only times that I do when it comes to my loved ones, my family, that's when I.
And what do you do about it when you do give a damn?
First, I used to do a lot about that. Now, I just let it go. I said, वो उसी newspaper में भेलपुरी खा लेंगे बाद में.
Well, Salman, some people look at you as the spoiled brat, and some people see you as this chilled out dude. Let's check out some opinions.
Hi, Bhaijan. You're looking cool.
Salman's basically a fun-loving guy. You know, it's like there's never a dull moment with him around.
You show me one hero all over the world who lives the kind of life he lives. He's a genuine guy. I don't think so he's got a high of being a hero or something.
I've always known that Salman is a friend's friend.
As a personality, extremely controversial. People love talking about him. People love to hate him. People love to love him.
I admire him for a lot of his qualities. For starters, for his power of resilience, the ability to bounce back when he's reached his lowest ebb.
People find it hard to believe when I say that Salman is the most sensible. उसकी जो philosophies of life है बहुत अजीब है लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत है. He's like, for me, like Gurdjieff would be, or Krishnamurti would be, or he's like a saint in a lot of ways. But this side, लोगों ने शायद देखी नहीं है उसकी, because he's always covered it with fooling around with people, laughing, making fun, and being a brat and being temperamental. But he's an absolutely great guy.
I'm still your fan, Bhai, and I will die as your fan.
Bhai is such a formidable word. Bhai is normally associated with people that are scary, Salman. What's so scary about you?
There's nothing scary about me. You know that now you're getting old, so That
You really
respect-
think you're getting old?
Yeah, that respect suddenly is coming.
Older and wiser?
Kids have started calling me uncle. I said, uncle? Ye kya hai?
Salman, we're going to take a short break. यहाँ पर हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा break, and when we come back, we're going to try and unfold some myths about Salman if we can.